Hey, what's up, guys? DekeRelaxShacks.com. Found something cool online recently and wanted to share it with you. Here we go. By the way, found this recently for sale. Almost bought it. We have a video on it later. We did a video recently on a shed, or a couple of them I toured. Be sure to check out the tiny house heaters through eheat.com. We have a discount in the description. And aside from the Jamaica Cottage Shop in upcoming videos, we have a hands-on tiny house building workshop in North Carolina with lots of guest speakers, live actual building. We will build a tiny house cabin in 3 days and more. Check it down below. First of all, just check this thing out. It's absolutely gorgeous. I know a lot of people viewing are big VW bus fans, or the Vanagons as well, so that's the reason I want to share this. Not a fan of doing these slideshow type videos, but this thing is just immaculately beautiful, and it's up for sale on Facebook right now. So if anything, I want to show you guys some drool-worthy pictures of a fully renovated VW bus that's almost in like new mint condition. This thing's just awesome, and they're hard to come by in this shape. Just some photos that you can gaze at lovingly. The interior here, which I redid, is absolutely incredible. They're asking 15 G's for it, which may seem like a lot of money, but it's not, considering this thing is in very drivable, awesome shape. I can't imagine the amount of time and care it took to rehabilitate this thing, or to keep it in such nice condition. But these are great because there's so many possibilities with them. Of course, the VW Vanagons and some of the other models come with the camper-like mode. Some of them have the built-in little kitchenettes. And we have a couple of videos in the past we've done on the RelaxShacks.com channel with those. This one more is in passenger van mode, but there's still the possibility of, which would almost seem criminal, of retrofitting it, gutting it, and changing it up. I don't know if I'd want to do that, but I simply want to share this video with you to let you know that this one is available. All the links, aside from other info, is down below in this description. And again, look at it lovingly.